Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, and all your other social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this Friday? Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF. So I kind of wanted to show you guys this new software that we got that we're very excited to use and utilize. It is a portfolio wealth builder. So here we are putting in 3 properties that we're looking to acquire because we're trying to grow our portfolio. When you grow your portfolio, you want to be able to be creating cash flow. As you could tell, there's 3 properties that we're looking to get. Each, the loan will be about $300,000, about interest rate. This value of these properties will be worth about $350,000, $360,000, $340,000. You know what I mean? So we have 3 of those properties. We have the 5th wheel, and then we have an insurance policy. So that's pretty much the debt. Okay, so here the investment properties are bringing in $3,400 a month. That is your monthly payment. Everything else is just my other jobs my other businesses that I do. So my total expenses is gonna be $26,000. Try to keep a balance of about $5,000 as an emergency. What else do we have? I don't think we have anything else there. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the summary that you're watching at right now. Hold on. Okay, so now we're back here. So now you know what that balance of 1.7 million is, and the remaining balance is 30 years because we're looking to really get it. So we're the interest rate, so you're the income, the expenses, down payment, all that aspects of it, right? So here's the great part of how you will be able to accelerate and take a 30-year mortgages and debts and pay it faster, okay? Just please hold. Okay, so now we're back. So there we are with 3 mortgages, 2 loans, credit cards, because it could be utilized for mortgage payments, car payments, student loans, credit card payments, any type of debt that you might have out there. This software could be utilized for that. Okay, so there you go. Let me show you guys. So if I would go the conventional route of the 1.7 million, I would pay my bank $3.1 million with all the interests and all that stuff. With this software, with the Money Max account that we're setting up and we're utilizing, we are saving $1.8 million. That's a savings of $1.3 million. So your net worth just went up $1.3 million. How cool is that? The total expense interest payments that you're paying with your bank in traditional banking is going to be $1.4 million compared to $120,000. So which one would you rather pay, 1.4 million or $120,000? I'm gonna take a moment to let you guys think about that. Well, if it took you long enough now, then I'm sorry, this is not for you. So I'm gonna be able to take a 30-year obligation and pay it off in 3.3 years, saving me 26.8 years. So it's not about the money. It's about spending, buying back your time. So you're pretty much buying back your time of you not have to work at a job that you don't even like, with workers that you don't even care about. So you're saving yourself that much money. How cool is that? So the other system, you're going to have, after 30 years, you're not going to have nothing, just the properties. This way you have the properties and you have accumulated $9.3 million. And that's not to mention the $20-some million of my insurance policy that I mentioned earlier. So that's pretty good, huh? So you'll be able to save. Look at that, what we're saving. It tells you a date by when you will be debt free. How cool is that? So here we are, the numbers. There is the amortization chart. So we start off a little bit higher because of the interest, whatever. But look, by 2023, you're already positive $244,000. Over here, you're still negative 866,000. Wow. Look at that. Numbers don't lie. Now, it's not about the numbers, it's about putting the game plan in action, putting it into execution. Right now, we are offering a free game plan to see where you're at. How would this system, this software will be able to help you accelerate into maturity, a lot of your debts, and save yourself tens of thousands of dollars in interest payments. But not only that, be able to get back years out of your life that you don't have to go work for a company. How cool is that? If you're interested and want to know more, send me a message. I'm going to link the video to the real estate of how we're utilizing it, how we're going to be utilizing it, and how maybe you should think about utilizing it yourself. Peace, love, and abundance always be with thee. Message me below. Hit me up. Let's make it.